In 2001, a big moment happened for China and the world. China joined the World Trade Organization called the WTO. This was a huge step. It meant China was becoming part of the world's economy. The WTO makes the rules for world trade. Joining meant China agreed to follow these rules. It let other countries' companies sell things in China. This was a big change for China and the rest of the world. Joining the WTO changed China's economy a lot. It grew super fast. Lots of people from other countries invested money in China. Factories popped up everywhere. China became the world's factory. It made things that people all over the world bought. From clothes to electronics, China made it all. This big economic change affected everyone, from how much stuff we needed to how things were traded around the world. All these new factories needed lots of energy. China needed more and more oil. Factories needed fuel to run their machines. Trucks needed diesel to move things. As China's economy grew, so did its need for oil. This need for oil changed the world's oil markets. Oil prices started going up as China needed more and more. China needing so much oil changed things for everyone. Oil prices went way up. This made things more expensive for people and businesses all over the world. Everything cost more. Moving things cost more, so the things we buy cost more. People started to see how much China's growing economy was changing things, especially with resources like oil. Section 5, the Olympic effect Beijing 2008 and rising demand. In 2008, China hosted the Summer Olympics in Beijing. This big event made China's economy grow even faster. The government built new stadiums, airports and roads. All this building needed even more oil and other resources. The Olympics showed the world how strong China's economy had become. Section 6, infrastructure boom, building for the Games and beyond. The Olympics helped China build lots of new things. New highways were built all over, fast trains connected big cities, new airports opened. All this building created jobs and helped the economy grow. But it also needed lots and lots of materials like steel, cement, and you guessed it, oil. Section 7, winners and losers, the global impact of China's rise. China's changing economy affected everyone. Some countries did well because China needed so many resources. Countries that had oil, for example, made lots of money, but other countries had problems. Factory jobs moved to China, which meant people in some richer countries lost their jobs. The world's economy was changing. Section 8, a new world order, China's place on the global stage. By 2008, China was a very important country. Everyone could see how strong its economy was. It was a leader in making and selling things. Its need for resources changed markets around the world. The world was changing, and China was a big part of that change. Section 9, conclusion, looking ahead at China's economic future. China's journey from joining the WTO to the 2008 Olympics was amazing. Its changing economy affected the whole world, making the need for oil and other resources go way up. As China keeps growing, it will become even more important to the world's economy. Everyone will be watching to see what China does with its powerful economy in the future.